guys, how are you doing? It's your girl Njoki here again with another banger, and today I'm taking you guys with me on set. And before that, I have to feed my two babies since I does poultry farming. So sahi ni kitu, it's around 3:30 a.m. I feed them alafu tutangulie. So guys, let's go to the set. I'm already done preparing. I'm already done with my chicks, but before to be so I give this early morning, God. Before I leave home, I always have this Bible verse that always guides me. Hii ni kitu sasa nafanyanga daily. This is a daily thing before I go and before I sleep. So it's Isaiah chapter 45 verse 2 and 3 venye tu nimeichora hapo. Inasemanga, I'll go before you and make the crooked places straight. I'll break in pieces the gates of bronze and cut the bars of iron. I'll give you the treasures of darkness and hidden riches of secret places, that you may know that I, the Lord, who call you by your name, am the God of Israel. So guys, tendeni set. That's my verse, my all day verse. So twendeni tupatane sasa kwa gari ya job wase. Here I am, nishafika town na venye tu mnaona niko na Crocs. Hizo ndo zinakuanga starter pack ya set. So twendeni. Here we are guys, and oh god, I'm ready and I can't wait to start my day. And let me tell you, today I'm doing continuity, na kama wewe ni mtu wa set unajua continuity hehe, how tricky it can be. So here we are, I'm getting ready. Niko set mimi sasa.
Cause you gonna be my G
for life.
Sasa kadagiro huyo ndio kadasi na ndia.
Ni mtetewe. Mama mnafanya kazi yote nyinyi? No haleluya leo Beuli, ona moyo kawera mwega. Nani gukite
Urehe irio.
Aripia. We good? Episode 416, scene 13C, take 1, slate 255. Nduta Wanjiru Deuri, LS. Set. Action!
Ona ni hona. Ona?
Nduta.
Down. Woo. It's a rough for the location. Up to the next one. Damn. Yes, I do. Need to take it out. Nini? Unaitwa Nduta.
Poa sana.
How are you?
I'm good.
So I have a question for you.
Go ahead.
What's your fear?
Fear. Paying hospital bills.
Damn. What's your phobia?
Heights.
Kwani kila mtu ni heights. Okay.
Yeah. And swimming. Yeah. I can't swim.
That means you can't go to coast.
I cannot. Ikipita a bucket, rest in peace.
Oh.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Tumekafunga.
Tumekapiu.
Oh damn.
Piu.
So guys, right now it's around 8 something. Tumelate kutoka, but that's what I managed to shoot since I was busy. I was doing continuity. Until next one, bye bye. Please subscribe.